Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install a cork flooring. If you want to install laminate flooring, it's same technique. I recommend you watch this video. Thank you. In this apartment there was water damage and I'm going to change this floor, install new one. So old floor I'm just going to start removing. So first of all I'm going to cut silicone from top of the baseboards and slightly remove all baseboard off. So let's go. So take the knife and pull bar. Easy. And pull off baseboards. Just easy. We have old nails. Just you don't have to take these nails off. Just break it. Easy. That's it. So here is. If you want to take these nails off, you will have some holes here, but when I just break it, so all baseboard is clean and you don't have to paint. Later on, when I put it back, I just want to use 23 gauge nails. It's really very little holes, it's not visible. So I already removed all baseboards and now I want to start take boards off. Let's take pull bar and lift it up. One side. And I don't want to break the boards. So now I want to put it. Yes, it should be overlap to the wall. This cork flooring has cork from both sides, here from the top and from the bottom, so it's not required to install underlayment because it's really good sound protection. And this is first floor under only basement, so I mean not basement, garage, and we don't need to hide sound protection. So let's go bring more boxes. Like I showed in my previous video, so when you want to start, you have to we have to make 3 different sizes of boards. So first board we can start from full board. Another board, it should be half, like this, half. And one more board, it should be, if we did so 4 parts, okay, 25% off. Now we can use cutter. Why I like cutter? Because no noise. If you use any saw, it's getting more noise. Okay, so I have now 2 boards with different lengths and another board right there. I will use full. So here is we have little corner, and we're gonna start from this side. Just attach the board tight, make a line parallel with this corner, and then when you move it quarter out, it's gonna be quarter out here too. Easy. And then attach tight, make parallel line with this corner. When we move it, it should be quarter everywhere, you know, and here and there. So then take the pencil, attach the fingers to the side, to the edge, put pencil on the line and just slide it. Look at this. This is exactly straight line. Boom. Now we can cut it. Cut this little piece I use. I use jigsaw to go. And so we have this small edge. We need to take this edge off and this edge off. So what I do, just when you cut, just take little angle. Now I remove this edge, and make profile. It fits perfect. So we just need to move it a little bit, quarter out, and I want to cut. How many boards do we need here? We need here. So 1, 2 boards I have to cut this edge, okay, because we need gap quarter inch. This is already 1/8. If we leave 1/8 floor moving and can touch to the wall, and you can see if you can hear some noise somewhere. So in this case, better if we take it off. So now I want to connect this report. So just put it tight, and this board we can put tight. Okay. Here is left some little spot. I'll take full board. It should be like this, and I just flip it up to this side and attach to the wall. You make a line. So if you attach here tight, it should be 1/8 already, because we have here a small lock. And from if we cut straight, we will have only 1/8. So we can come in one more 1/8. It's gonna be exactly what we need. So 1/8 plus 1/8 is gonna be 1/4. So now I wanna cut it on laminate cutter. Okay. And if you remember, I cut this edge because it can be tied to the wall. Okay. I'm gonna lock it. Okay. Touch. So if you have a look from the top, look, here is it tight, and this already 3/8 gap, and this 3/8 gap. So what we have to do? So we have to take a pencil, and just attach. If you attach this pencil on side like this, it's exactly pencil showed gap what we have, and when you slide it onto the wall, it showed you how we have to cut it. And this side, and we see that everywhere the same, and only here same. So attach the pencil, and make like this. So, and we can have exactly gap we need, what we need. So now I wanna cut it with jigsaw. One side. So if we need to move almost 1/4 need to cut here another quarter to like this. Okay, about this board. Hold the pulley. Same gap everywhere, and we can start another line. So, but we have to keep gap there. So what I can do, this cardboard from the box, it's 1/8 almost. So if we cut double piece and put it right here from each you see, and to another side. And we can put right here double. It's gonna be water. It's gonna be water. Now we can start another line. If you remember, we cut two boards with different lengths. First of all, need to install half. Now it's very popular installation. Make and then another one, smaller. This is easy installation, so 1, 2, 3 H, but it's not beauty. So beauty is if you do first of all long, then short, and then middle size. This is the beauty. So I will show you how to right to do it. You can do whatever you want, okay? So I wanna lock these two boards together. And then lock it here. Just make sure you leave water gap. So take another board. I don't have block. Usually I always use left over from material. So I have this small lock, here is big lock. You just put like right here and knock. One, two. Okay. So take next board. Here is the front. We have to switch, or how to say, flip. Okay, and then attach. If you remember, I told you there is small lock, 1/8, and from this edge I have to, from this edge, this edge, I have to come in 1/8 too. It's gonna be quarter, and then cut this. So not cut. So now put in this lock first. And then take this piece, one, without fanatism, one, that's it. So, lock to these boards together. Attach the board and then move out quarter, too much, like this, and then lock it. Take another board. We have here is leftover little piece. I just attach it here and slide to the door tight, and then okay, here is not really straight. Look at this. So you see here is gap quarter, here is 0. So attach the pencil. Okay, just make line. Okay, that's it. I want to cut it now. Attach, move water out. Now it's good. Go ahead. Why I use always this leftover? Because you know, when you look like this, you can break edges, and I wanna work safe. What why I use it? Okay, next step. Floor going this way, flip, attach. If you remember, 1/8 and 1/8 in. This is the size. Okay, so make sure poly, you lift it up. And then take the block. So take another piece. So here we can install full board and then small little piece. So attach. Lock here. Then just slow. Okay. Now we can use this little piece what was left. So attach 1/8 in. And here, very important, just lock this side and slide it. When it's this side lock, you just put it in, that's it. But if you don't lock it, just slide, very hard to pull it in. Okay? So this is fast. We install 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and I'm going to put boxes on top to keep it tight without movement. So when we put boxes on top, it keeps floor out of moving because it's floating. So it's help. If you remember, when I start with short board and with full board. It's easy. Just to lock it. Good. So attach. Nice. And then move a little bit. Water. And lock it. Attach board. Put it down. Lock this side. This side is locked and here is locked. Take the block. Okay, so next I want to do this side like I did before. Lock 2 boards. Okay, then attach to that, put it. Attach. We need to cut here. Just a second. That and put out. Good. And then so lock it here. Make sure Oleg is on the wall. Good. With because we have lock on back side here, you see, and this edge this line very tight to this edge, we can break this piece. I'll cut with jigsaw. if you do it with G, take the piece and just make sure it's tight. So take the block. Okay. So and then put block over and just knock it. No way, because need to settle it properly. It stay in the corner. When you put board and hit it, it's sitting properly. Another things. Wall is not straight. Wall not straight. And need to get this angle. Fully up. That's it. Just look at it. And here is edge, and need quarter out like this. Then unlock it, put it tight, and make parallel with this edge. So this is what we have to cut. So I finish this part, move everything to the side. So now I have to go to this hallway, and I need to put poly, because poly already stop here. So why I leave this piece? Because this floor going under the track. Today I want to start install another two lines and go into the hallway. And then when I install it, I want to take all door off, put to the wall, take off track, cut this board, which is half under the rails, and then install it back and install floor. So go ahead. I need to install this piece under this heater and just attach and make mark. So this is exactly line straight, and we have to move water out. Right here. Then there is the block. Take the hammer. Okay. Good. Now very important things, we have to pass this door jump. So I wanna take Oleg and this and here and here. First of all, I want to finish this little piece. If you remember, floor going this way, this is big lock, this is small lock. So we flip, attach, one eight. This is the piece. Okay. And here. So, okay, now this piece, how we can measure this piece.